Welcome to Utica Avenue Plumbing Supply, your ideal choice for all of your plumbing, heating, kitchen, and bath needs. Family owned and operated since 1933, we pride ourselves on friendly, knowledgeable customer service. Plumbing and heating contractors confidently turn to Utica for our wide array of pipes, valves, fittings, boilers, baseboard heating, and water heating elements, and bathroom and kitchen designers rely on us for the latest trends in faucets, shower systems, sinks, toilets, and spas. As one of the largest Dan's stocking distributors in the country, we can deliver same-day shipping on any item we have in stock. Whether you need to heat your home or create the kitchen of your dreams, Utica can help. Call us today so we can prove to you why we've been around for 75 years and counting.